this Jamaican have a serious concern.
Have mercy. I have to ask this question. Really? Am I the only person who is naive or stupid? Because this is what I want to know. Really and truly, if people really, truly, honestly within themselves believe in voodoo, witchcraft, fortune teller, hand reading. No, honestly, people, me want to know if sensible people really believe them things. Come, I can understand. There's an incident on YouTube. Accident happened to a YouTuber. And there is this whole thing surround this black puss. And the fact that you see a black puss, Lord of mercy. People listen to me.
The fact that you see a black puss, it's evil, bad, or witchcraft.
No. So all who have black puss, all who have black puss, we don't get rid of the black puss.